How to turn off read receipts on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how you can turn off read receipts on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your text message application. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. From here, scroll down a bit and head over to message settings. Once you're here, tap on the general at the top. Under general, now again you have to head over to the first option, that is RCS Chats, where you'll have the option to turn off your read receipts. Tap on it, make sure the RCS Chats are turned on, where it will use the Wi-Fi or data for messaging whenever available. There's an option as send read receipt. So to turn it off, you have to toggle off this option here. So that's it. That's how you can turn off read receipts on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.